All right, so here we're going to discuss logging into Boxygen Vocals fax system. All right, I have the window open here, the login vocalsfax.boxygencorp.com. That brings me to the login screen. I already have my email and password put in. All right, I'm going to go ahead and click sign in. Now, immediately when I sign in, it brings me to the send fax section of the system. And it also shows me the fax number that I would be sending it from here to the right. Okay, so right here where it says fax number on the left side, you would go ahead and put in the fax number that you're sending this fax to. You can put in any emails that you want to be privy to the fax. Create a cover page. We have 4 different options for cover pages. Whoever you're delivering it to or whatever the company's name, you would put in the deliver to section. In the subject section, you can put in the subject. As you scroll down here, you'll see notes. You can choose whatever notes you are. Those are mostly internal or external. I'm sorry. You can choose a tag, mark it as urgent. Then down here at the bottom, you click drag or drop into the file area, where this will allow you to choose a file, a PDF from your computer, a Word document, and you can choose the file, click open. Once you click open, it will attach the file. You'll see it here under attachments, and then you can click send. Once you click send, that fax is off.